Alright, so we're just gonna run this. I don't really like the situation. I don't like the background. I don't like not having any music. Oh wait, I can tell Steve to cue the music. So, cue the music, bitch. Yeah, that'll work. So anyways, try it. Fuck it. It's gonna run it. 2 chrome snake crack. Hell of it. Yeah, I'm gonna try this. It ain't gonna work. I'm already drunk. I'm stoned as fuck. But whatever. It's cold. It's cold. It's an epic fail. Whatever. It's cold as fuck. Fuck your mouth. Fuck your mouth.